Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS Vivobook Go 15 OLED and Go 14 OLED. So friend, ASUS announced the 15.6-inch Vivobook Go 15 OLED, which model number is E1504G, and 14-inch Vivobook Go 14, which model number is E1404G. And friend, these two exciting value for money lifestyle laptops powered by Intel Core i3 and 305 processors for the on-the-go productivity or entertainment, and the slim and light laptops features high-quality OLED or IPS displays and powerful ASUS SonicMaster sound system with Dirac audio processing for immersive entertainment. And friend, the design is stylish and practical with thoughtful touch that make the user's life easier, such as a 180-degree leaflet hinge and built to survive any lifestyle. These tough laptops are tested to use military-grade standard for durability using the world's strictest test regime. And friends, superior performance for any task is assured by up to Intel Core i3 processors, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and 512 GB PCIe SSD. And friend, the Vivobook Go 15 OLED delivers stunning, crisp and clear visual from its approved Full HD OLED display, and the 16 9 NanoEdge slim-bezel design gives users more screen space for multitasking and immersive viewing, and it offers Pantone Validated color rendering with an average delta E color accuracy of less than 2 and a cinema grade 100% DCI-P3 gamut, and the fast 0.2 millisecond response time ensures smooth motion scenes. And these features is the part of ASUS OLED Care package that helps to maximize the life of the display. And friend, both laptops will easily slip into any bag, and they are light enough for easy one-handed carrying, and they feature three never out of the fashion color option: mixed black, cool silver, and the brand new grey green, and along with signature Vivobook details like the raised logo tape on the lead, warning strip pattern on the enter key, and contrasting color rubber feet on the base, and a stylish V-shaped airband. The laptops also comes with a collection of easy-to-use productivity enhancing ASUS apps, including GlideX for cross-device screen sharing, and MyASUS for easy access to updates, apps, and customer service. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.